For the defence and attack rounds, we categorise defence into 5 different levels. Level 5, the lowest level of defence, is to avoid, that's to move away from. And you'll see certain combinations which say to skip back or sway back. For instance, 1, 2, 3, skip back. Level 4 is to block, and we use several different blocks in beatbox: the smother, the right cover and the left cover. 1, 2, 3, left cover. 1, 2, 3, left cover. Jab, cross, jab, right cover. Jab, cross, jab, right cover. The smother, which is a double-handed forearm block. 1, 2, 3, smother. Jab, cross, jab, smother. Jab, cross, jab, smother. Jab, cross, jab, smother. Level 3 defence is redirection. We don't use redirection in this particular module, but you'll see it in later modules. Level 2 is to evade, and that is to slip left, slip right, or to dip. Jab, cross, jab, slip. Jab, cross, jab, slip. Jab, cross, jab, slip left. Jab, cross, jab, slip left. Or jab, cross, jab, dip. Jab, cross, jab, dip. Jab, cross, jab, dip. Jab, cross, jab, dip. Level 1 defence is attack, and you'll see that all the way through in beatbox.